Hello to class GS525 at DePaul University. My name is Scott Birkin, and I am the author of a book that you're being forced to read. This book, How Design Makes the World. Dr. Gundry asked me if I would say a few words to you, so I'm going to do that. Since you're going to be inflicted with this thing that I made, you're going to be tortured by reading it. I figured I could at least show up and say hi. So this notion of design and innovation, they go together really well, but it's often poorly understood. That most people think of innovation and business, I'm going to make some cool new thing and it's going to be so great. It's going to make lots of money and be a great business. But that's a really shallow view of how all this works. So take, for example, a pencil. Now, a pencil was an innovation. Big, important thing. This cheap, easy way, reliable way to write things. Then along came the pen. Another innovation. A new way to write things cheaply and easily. So we have two innovations. Which one's better? Can you say for sure? Well, if you're writing something permanently, well, this is probably better. But if you're writing something that maybe you might change your mind about, well, this is going to be better. It even has a built-in undo function before we had technical software undo. So this helps really clearly start to get you on your way to thinking more clearly about good design. That you can't really call something a good design until you talk more about what it's supposed to do and what it's for. And that often in the business world, when we're talking about business innovation, that's what helps you figure out what's going to be good, is your knowledge of design and the process for how you come up with an idea, how you do testing with users to understand it better when you prototype it, and revolve it and iterate it and make it better and better until it becomes something that's good enough to put out into the world and hopefully be a success. So I encourage you, if you read the book and you enjoy it, to look at the wider world with these same kind of questions that you'll get from the book. And of course, if you really hate the book and you're angry at Dr. Gundry for assigning it and me for writing it, easy to find at scottbirkin.com. You can drop me a line there, or send me your hate mail about how terrible it was, or if you have a question for me beyond the scope of the course, feel free to drop by and say hi and tell me that you're from the class, and I'll be sure to reply when I can. So enjoy the book. I hope you like it. Hope you have a great time in the course. And Happy New Year to you and a happy 2021. See ya.